today we are developing a maze game. So this is the game which we are going to make today. So like this is that's the demo of the game. Then we will start building the game from scratch. So this is the Tina. So Tina has to she has to reach to the cup. So for going there, she has to pass through this maze kind of thing. So let's just start. So what are the conditions of the game? That she should not touch any of these cardboard. Suppose she touch any of the cardboard, then she will reach to her initial position. That is, she will reach to her beginning position. So when I start moving, so what we can see is that, so as I have pressed my arrow keys, it is to start moving. So what we can see that as she is touching this kind of cardboard, then she is again going to her initial position. But when I will just move it with my arrow keys little downward, see again. So this game is little hard, but still you will be able to pass it. Now if I just press this key and I go here, so we can see I am able to move, but as soon as it touches the cardboard, then I again came to my initial position. So see, I am going to go, but as soon as I touch any of the cardboard, then it is going to go to its initial position. See, so this game is a little hard. You can make this game and challenge it to your friends that send me the screenshot when you reach to there. You can just do this kind of thing with your friends. You can challenge them and you can say, I know you can't pass this maze game. So see, I'm going to reach my cup. So like this, you can just challenge this to your friends and you can send this game to your friends after you have created. And then what you can do is you can just give them a challenge. Then if I'm giving you a challenge that you have to finish this game and you have to send me this screenshot of you win. You can just challenge them this game with your friends. Like it will be a little interesting, right? So now let's just start building our app game. So for that we need to go to code.org. So let's go to code.org. Now we have to create a new game lab project. So right now there is nothing as such. So for that, in this game we are not using this animation, we are just using graphics. We are just using all the things which are available here. We are not using anything from animation. So first of all, we need to create a new variable, that is Tina. Now if we run, it will not show because first I have to draw the sprite and then the function draw loop. So when I just run, we can see it here. But its position is it's too high. The box is too and I don't want that. So what I will do is I will just click on this. Can you see this arrow button? Just click there and one more time. So we will get two more things. Now we have already studied that what is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate and how is it useful. If you have followed my series from the beginning, then you must have got to know that what are these two. But what are these two? What are these two? These determine what does it determine? It determines the shape of the rectangle. Like suppose this will determine the height and this will determine the width. So in short we can say they will determine the breadth and this is the length. So this would be a little confusing, but still if we practice then we will get to know. So right now just the position which we are using is, so the positions are 20, 25, 18 and 18, and when I reset and run, so it comes in this position here. But I don't want this type of color, so I'm going to change the color. How I will change the color? I will just go a little down and I will find a block that is dot shape color. Here is it. So Tina dot shape color, let's just do it orange. Let's reset and run so we can see there. So now as we have created this type of Tina, then now in our game we can see that there are 21 more cardboards, isn't it? There are 21 cardboards. Now we need to make each of the cardboard. So for that, what we are doing is, we are going to show text and let's create the 21 cardboard. But still you might be surprised like how will you now do? So for that, don't worry, I'm going to give you time to copy each of the cardboard in your laptop or PC so that you are also coding with along with me. So till now it's your task to just pause the video and I'm giving you time to copy these 10 cardboards. 10 cardboards, just pause the video and just copy these 10 cardboards. Because if I just go and type this all, then what will happen actually is the video will just extend to 2 to 3 hours and we can't just make this video too long. So I'm just doing just for the cardboard I'm doing this because there are 21 same thing and I don't want to write each separately. To make your work easier, what you can do is you can just write one time variable cardboard is equal to paste right, and then you can just paste it 21 times. It's actually will be 22 times, and then you can just change like cardboard and cardboard to then do the required changes. So the first cardboard is pink color, purple, then red, blue, yellow, green, silver, violet, golden, sky blue. I hope you have copied this. If not, then please pause the video because the video is not running anywhere. Then you have to complete till cardboard 10 shape color to cardboard 20 shape color. Please complete till the thing I have highlighted. You may pause the video also. So please pause the video. So I hope you have done this here. So let's just make it little more down. And now you have to do the variable 21 to 22. You may pause the video here also. So as I have already explained you what are these four terms. So I don't think you will have any difficulty. If it is practice, then you will not have any difficulty. So we can see that yes, our work is successfully created and feeling so glad that it's created this type of thing. Now what our work left is we can just go to show block. And now what we can do is we can give the background color as black, isn't it? Because in our game, we know that the background color is black. So let's just give the background color to be as black. And remember, we never give the background color after the draw slice. Why? Because then what will happen, suppose if we do here, then it will first draw the slides and then it will show the background black. So means all the slides will be hidden by this black color, this background color. Right? So now it will just, so let's run. So our half of the interface of our half of the work is done. So now what our work left is we need to make a text. We are going to make text here, somewhat here. We're going to make the text that is tina. So let's just make a go here. So here we will put the text. We will put the text as tina in the position 40 and 25. Let's leave it and run. So yes, it's correct position. Let's not do capital, let's do it small only. Next, what we have to do is give the text size as well as we have to give text font and its alignment. So now we are going to give text font as Arial only and let's not this text alignment. So here we just want one. So text alignment we can give as left. So now here we can give the text size is 50. So when I go to reset and run, we need to just all things are done, so it's fine. So it's tina, yes. Now what work next we have to do is we need to just copy it and paste it. Then we will just name it as cup curve in the position 354 and 352. When I run it, so here it is showing correct, and all the things are just correct, and it is just going to do text learning test right. Find out explicit and run. It's all good. Now what work we have to do next is, here it is showing just right, if we don't have to do show it again and again. So we can go to show block, final code. Now let's us add the key down movements. So let's just go to sprites, and we are going to add that when control if sprite, if suppose the key down is left, or if the key down is right, then what's going to happen? Then its velocity x and velocity y is going to change, which Tina's velocity x and velocity y is going to change by 5 and 6. Let's run it. And when I just press right, so it's actually wrong. It should be actually 2 and 0, because its velocity y should not change, because velocity y should not actually change. When I press right, now it's correct. Yes. So now let's just do for rest of the. Now we need 4. Left, up and down. So here what we can do, we can just copy these 4, paste it and put it here. The Tina velocity x here should be -2. The same we can just paste and put it here. Now when we press up, then it will be 0, but it will just be -2, and for down it is going to be 0 and +2. Let's just run. So when I press right, correct, left, down key, left. Now in left it's going wrong. Why is it so? Because here we have to do 0. So when I press right, correct, down key, left. Now left key is not working, because we have done a previous issue that it should be here y. And same for up key x. So let's just see if we have not done any other mistake. Only xy, and x is fine. Now run, right key, down, left, up. All good. Now we can go to show block. Now what we have to do next is, we are actually just going to show text, and now we have to do that if suppose it collides with any of the cardboard, then it will come to its initial position here. So for that, what we are doing is, now we are adding if statements that, let's just go to show blocks, and we are just scrolling it down, and we are adding some of the if statements again. So let's add the if statement, and here we are doing that if suppose it collides. What collides? If Tina collides with cardboard one, then her X position and Y position is going to come as when she was there. So let's just go up, and her X position was 20 and 25, so it is going to come 20 and 25. So Tina's X position and Tina's Y position is going to come 20 and 25. So now run. So when I touch cardboard 1, so it just comes with this position. So as we were running that, as soon as it goes and touches this, then it will come back to its initial position. So instead of collide, we can do that is touching. Like we can do like if Tina is touching cardboard 1, then it would like yes. Now we can just have it like it's now looking fine because colliding will not be a match. Now it's fine. Now like we can just copy it. And we have to paste it 21 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20. Oh no. It was just 21, 22 we will just add if suppose there are more. Now let's do the changes. What just we need to do is cardboard number 1, cardboard number 2, cardboard 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. But the thing is, so let's just run, and we here is showing unexpected. So there is some kind of error here. So error, I'm not getting what error is called. So let's just delete everything and we'll work it with blocks. Let's just delete. Not getting which error it could be exactly. So let's just delete. all and go to show block. So now we will do if statements. Now our work is just double, I know, but still we need to do if it is touching, Tina is touching cardboard number 1. Then what's going to happen is X position and Y position is going to get changed. Tina's X position as well as Tina's Y position is going to change to 20 to 25. Let's run it, and after that it goes to this position. Yes. Now what we can do is we can just copy it, paste 20. So student हो गया 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20. Now here we go. Now let's just do it cardboard number 2. What's that? Cardboard 3, cardboard 4, now we can work it with show text, cardboard 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Now let's run and let's just see where it's going. Yes, it's coming. Piece of this cardboard. It's just yes, it's just correct. Everything is correct. So now our very less work is left. Very less work is left. And as soon as it touches this cup, then it's going to show you win. So that's going to be super exciting. So what we can write here is that we can add a if statement. We will add one more if statement, that if Sophia.collide, if suppose Tina collides with cardboard number 22. Actually, that is 17. Cardboard number 17. So then, if she collides with cardboard number 17, then it's going to. So let's first remove cardboard number 17 block. First, it is coming here. Then it is going to show text. Going to show a text that is so at the face you can just have the space at 220 and 220, and we can add textFont, textSize, arial, size as 18, and we can add that text.set text.setVelocity 0 0. Let's just run. So let's just reload it. Now it's showing. Sometimes it shows some bug. So now let's just run. Not our game shows bug, but this coded by the platform will show some bug. So let's just go to what. This game is pretty hard but very interesting too. Oh god. Oh god. Oh. I'm not even to test whether our code is correct or not. And it is like oh, this game is pretty hard. I'm not even able to test it. I hope this time I'm able to do it. Well, it's showing view win. So it's showing text.velocity is not a function. Now, even we can do that. Text that will align center. Now let's run again and do this. Why not showing? We need to do one more thing. We need to create these sprites as edge. We will go above show block. And here in background we will do create edge sprites and Sophia.bounceoff in tina.bounceoff from edges. So now it will also bounce off from the edges. So here the spelling is from. Now we can reset and run. So now we can see it's bouncing from the edges. So why it's not colliding? Let's check it out. Where is the block? Here it's where it is that now if tina.collide Collide with carbon 70. Now let's read it and run. So I'm not getting right, showing an error. So what we can do right now is we can put this if statement at after this. Now let's run. Now it's showing new with. Now verify this. Oh god. Oh 4. Irritated now. So our game is ready actually, and if you want, I will give you the link of my project. This game is so hard actually, I'm not even going to just check if the game is running fine. It's showing UL, but just for a second it was showing. That's fine because it was just showing the game is fully configured. It's just one bug. So we can just put it after all. Now let's try. Let's now run. Just wait for a second. If you know it's your task now, our game is fully completed. Now you have to just check it out. How we can just remove, like how can we have it for entire? So how can we do like that? It's your task. I'm giving you a challenge. Like if you can just do, if you could solve this error out, if you can solve this bug, but our game is actually all ready. There's just this bug. If you could remove it, then it would be super great. So I'm looking if any intelligent mate here can actually remove that error and let me know in the comment section if there is an intelligent guy who really has all the knowledge and has actually just that error has been solved by him or her. So waiting for you all to reply, but our game is fully ready. Which in just 1 second. So let if you can actually just solve this error out, or if everything is done.